Now, I was looking on the internet, and I always look for video to embed in our website, and I found something very interesting. A kit you could have at home to keep the EpiPen more available, because one of the problems, if you do have a problem with a peanut allergy or something severe, if you don't have it with you, what good is to have an EpiPen prescription? So we looked at something, I made contact, and they sent me a kit to look at, and I brought it to you. You didn't even know about it before today, and we both think it's a great idea. Is that true?
No, it's very true. EpiPen is a self-ejecting form of epinephrine that's very simple to use and is a life-saving medication when a patient has a severe allergic reaction to things like bee stings, peanuts, or other types of antigens that cause a very dramatic allergic reaction, where breathing is affected, where your heart rate and blood pressure are affected. These are potentially life-threatening types of allergies. You've just brought me a kit, essentially, which is a nice way to store and carry both the EpiPen and other things which can be helpful for patients who undergo this type of allergy. And I think having a very easy and portable kit to work with and to carry your medication is very important, because if you don't have the EpiPen with you all the time, then if a reaction like this does occur, you can't use it when it's absolutely necessary. And too many people forget the EpiPen in their pocket, in the wrong purse, or don't have it when they're visiting family or friends. And it's those types of unexpected exposures where these type of severe allergies occur.
I once had a patient who had an EpiPen with them, and it was crushed because they stored it improperly. And from this kit that we looked at, and we have nothing to do with this company, I just made contact, they have protected devices and easy to carry devices. And you just saw it 2 seconds ago. There's one that we saw, you can keep it like in a belt. Can you show that little belt-like device?
No, I'd like to show you a couple of features of the device. I found it to be very helpful. It comes in this very nice little lunch pail, like children would carry to school, but a bit smaller and certainly very easy to work with. Inside of this are several different types of devices that can be very beneficial. The first is the belt that you've alluded to, and I've taken one out already. And this is a very nice device. It's an expandable belt, almost like a fanny pack. And on the belt is a double non-crushable holder for your EpiPen. It quickly pops open with just a Velcro, so you can pull it out and have it immediately available to use should you need it. It's very easy to close. It's very nice and black, and the size of it expands so that you can fit any man or woman's waist. And I think it's a very nice device, and it can't be crushed, so it protects the EpiPen very nicely.
That's a good point here. You have room for 2. Why would you have 2?
Well, it also is a nice feature that many people don't think about, that has room for 2 EpiPens, and the reason for that is that an EpiPen only lasts about 15 to 20 minutes in its effect. At that point, its effect starts to wear off, and sometimes after that 20 minutes, the severe allergic reaction could actually come back, and you haven't had enough time to get to a physician's office or to an emergency room. If that reaction does come back, you now have that second EpiPen available to administer a second dose of epinephrine, adrenaline, to continue the life-saving benefit of that medication. There's several other things that are in this kit that I think are beneficial. It comes with a bottle that you can store alcohol or any other cleanser so that you can clean the skin before the EpiPen. It comes with a trainer for the EpiPen, so you could actually practice and learn how to use the device properly. It comes with another non-crushable type of container that has a suction, so you can keep that in an office, on a refrigerator, very handy in a home or office or school setting, as well as another type of hook which is magnetized so that you can carry it in a magnetic area as well. So it gives you several different ways of storing the EpiPen so that it's very easily accessible no matter where you may be, home, office, or on the road.
Thank you very much.